Hey y'all, my name is Linnell and my sisters and I took an 8-day cruise with Carnival Vista when we discovered Curacao. If you decide to go on the excursion Curacao Highlights and Mambo Beach, this is a glimpse of what you're in for. If you enjoy this video, make sure to click the thumbs up and subscribe so the next time I go on an excursion, you'll get notified when I upload a new video, and I hope to see you on the next cruise. Alright, this is my first time in Curacao. Beautiful. Oh, this is us. Curacao Highlights and Mambo Beach. As soon as you get off the ship, if you have an excursion, it's gonna be lines the second you get off. All right, Curacao, let's see what you got. Oh, you can bring your wheelchair. Can you bring scooters too?
Yes.
Yes, you can bring scooters?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Bon dia, good morning, welcome, bon bini. That's a few words in our native language. Papiamento. Papiamento is African Portuguese. I will teach you some nice words at the end of the tour. Okay, my name is Judith. Judith coffee, just coffee, not tea, chocolate. With a lot of sugar without milk. That's me. You can't forget my name. Judith. Judy. And our driver is Ilan. He is coming. Ilan is one of the best drivers. You are in good hands. And we will have a tour at the east side of Curacao. Not Curacao, but Curacao. That means your heart. So you will see how our island is divided into Impunda and Otrobanda. This is Otrobanda, Spanish. I'll tell you why. We speak here 4 languages. And Punda. Then we continue the tour. We go to the Hoogstraat. That's a nice area. And then we continue the tour. We go to the Jewish area. The Jewish area is was one of the nice elite area. And then we continue the tour. We go to the Chobolobo. The Chobolobo, the Curacao Liqueur Factory, where you can taste the liquor, the famous Blue Curacao. At this time of the day, 31% of alcohol in your body. You are on vacation. You may taste whatever you want. You don't need to drive to cook whatever. So it's up to you. And then we continue the tour. We go to the Mambo Boulevard. There is different beaches, and you will go to the relax. You're going to the relax at the relax beach. There is Bonita, Wet and Wild, Cabana, different beaches, but you will go to the relax. We reserved you beach chair and the entrance is included. And there is some rules. But on vacation, you don't need rules. You are enjoying life, and that it starts right now. So Ilan, here he is. Say hello to our people. Bon dia. Bon dia, bon dia.
Watch your step. Yes, please watch.
30. That's number 30.
So you can take a look. The first one, the the other side.
Restrooms are which way?
The restrooms? Straight in front of you. The yellow
Okay,
building.
thank you.
What they use to make a liquor. How to make a liquor. So here at your left, at your right hand, this is one of the gas stations. Here we don't have competition, all over the same gas, crude oil, and the same price. It is like you put gold in your car, that expensive it is. It's about $7 a gallon of gas, $6.50 to $7. Every time it go higher and higher, it's really expensive. 90% of our people have an air conditioning because it's really hot. It's not warm, it's hot to handle, too hot. Sometimes schools have to close the door, but here we can use the solar, but not yet because it costs a lot of money for investment of the solar. Let me tell you about the education here in Curacao. It is almost the same as the Netherlands. The only difference is here they give the papiamento lessons and you have to do exam also in the papiamento. From 4 till 17 years you have to visit school, strict. You have to visit school. From kindergarten to university they use uniforms. Also, from 7:30 till 12:30, 1:30, 2:30 school hours. Here in Curacao, when you finish your high school, if you want to keep studying wherever you want, you can get a kind of scholarship. The government pay everything for you except your vacation. When you're ready, you have to pay every dime back. If you're not paying back, they will look for you wherever you are, you will get a ticket. So you better pay it back. Or the one that signed for you have to pay it back. To be in a group is not allowed, especially for the teenagers. After school hours, they can walk in tour in the city, hanging in McDonald's, Kentucky, doing things they may not do. So it's not allowed. If you know the color of the uniform, there are more than 4, call the school director or the police. So here, everybody, they have a uniform from kindergarten to university, they have uniform. So it is not allowed to be in a group. One of the best, because especially by weekend, they, by bicycle, motorcycle, and they're doing things they may not do. So it is not allowed. That is really one of the best that I like. Soup, the best soup is the iguana soup. Iguana soup, you can have it without knowing because it is really like chicken. But it is very good for your health. After a surgery, they ask if you want a cup of iguana soup, then you can start walking. All kind of soup you can get by Sunday, even if it is that hot, you can get all kind of the best soup, really. What you see right now in front of you, this was houses after the slave, because the history of the slave, we have Farm Museum of the slave, when they got the freedom, August 17 by 1795. So these houses are 1800. That was a gift to the family of the slave when they got the freedom. We have some more of them. This is very, very old. They are on the list of UNESCO too. And finally, the king, Willemstad, with his wife Maxima, even if they wasn't by that time, they didn't know anything that happened, but finally they came here and they say apologize to Curacao, what happened here in Curacao with the slave. Curacao was a kind of depot. People from Ghana was coming here to Curacao, and from here they transported them all over. So the history is a big history in Curacao. People still coming here, they want to know the history and they want to see the museum. Take a look here in front of you. This is our oil refinery, closed. It was from 1914 in hand of Shell. Shell left us in 1986. What they left behind is the pollution. Vista from Venezuela took it over. But Vista also left a couple of years ago. We're still looking for someone to take it over. That was our best economy, the best income. But we are still looking for someone. Oh.
All right, we're at Mambo Beach and we have 2 hours to enjoy. Reserved for Fiesta tours, that is us. All right, so when you're with the tour, all of these seats that have reserved on them, you can use with these bands. Don't use the seats that don't say reserved down there. All right, so I ain't the greatest swimmer, so I am not going over to those rocks right there. But they finna go to the rocks, and I'm gonna stay here and be the photographer. So let's see what they.
Are you having fun?
Too much.
Oh, I know. That's right.
All right, something's smelling yummy over here.
My favorites? They're all equally good. It just depends on what you like the most.
What is when it says meat? What kind of meat is that?
It's ground beef,
Ground beef.
and it's only ground beef, and then we have the chicken. It's we fry fried chicken.
And how much are they?
In dollars?
$8?
In dollars, they're $2.75.
$2.75? Wow, that's pretty good. All right. I'm gonna try the ground beef and the chicken.
Beef and a chicken.
Yes.
Sure. So like anything else?
I mean, what are those, smoothies?
We have smoothies, we have juices, we have the slush puppies, we have ice cream.
What are these?
Those are the slush.
And what flavors?
Strawberry, orange, and blue raspberry. You can also get a mix of all of them.
Okay, I'll do that.
And what size would you like? We have over here, show you, we have the large, medium, and the small.
Medium.
Medium, sure.
I should have asked you how much it is first.
It's, in dollars, it's $4.25.
Cool. All right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So 2 pistachios. And medium slush. With all the flavors?
Sure. Not mixed though, one on top of the
Yeah,
other?
I'm gonna put them all on top.
Okay.
I'll make a rainbow for you.
My view right now.
Is it okay, everybody on the yes, okay. Now we're going back to the ship. Short time, isn't it? For the beach. Because we local people beach and we don't have camping, we have weekend houses where you go for a weekend by vacation, and all the weekend houses they have a nice beach. Our language papiamento is almost like Spanish. There is a lot of words, but we speak very fast and we like to repeat the words. Sometimes it is like we are in discussion with each other. The way that we communicate, we are always in a hurry. Maybe it's on the hot temperature or so. But for example, that word mashadanki, many thanks. How do we say it? We say it like this. Mashadanki. Hey, konta. Hey, how are you? Konta. Mashadanki. And we are loud. You know the way that we communicate, we use hands, eyes, everything. Yeah, that's all that. So we are loud and we speak very loud, but it is very nice, our language. And douche is a nice positive word. All of my guests in the bus are douche people. The tour was douche. Curacao is douche. Mashadanki douche. Many thanks, honey. It is a positive, really great, awesome word.